Hello, hope you are doing great, and welcome to EES Consultancy. Let's talk about Vantaa. Vantaa is a city and municipality in Finland. It is part of the inner core of the Finnish capital region along with Helsinki, Espoo, and Kauniainen. With a population of 239,216, Vantaa is the fourth most populated city in Finland after Helsinki, Espoo, and Tampere. Its administrative centre is in the Tikkurila district. Vantaa is located in southern Finland, in the region of Uusimaa and the Helsinki sub-region. It is separated from the Gulf of Finland by Helsinki. Prior to the abolition of Finnish provinces in 2009, Vantaa was a part of the southern Finland province. The city borders Helsinki, the Finnish capital, which is to the south and southwest. Other neighbouring municipalities are Espoo to the west, Nurmijärvi, Kerava, and Tuusula to the north, and Sipoo to the east. Vantaa is a part of the Finnish capital region, which is the inner core of the Greater Helsinki metropolitan area. Good day.